Summer's mine. Swear I started about 100 times, gonna need it back. Want you to come and find me. Just to tell me that I haven't changed, boy, I need that from you. I'm getting money, just taking care of me, boy.
Hey faithfuls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asian. I'm back with another hair review / tutorial. If this is your first time here and you're not subscribed to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well. Become part of my notification gang. Shout out to my notification gang. Gang. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you're part of my notification gang. So today's video, I'm going to be telling you all about this curly unit that I am rocking. I'm going to let you know all the deets on where I got it from and how I styled it. So if you're interested in learning more about this, keep watching. Okay dolls, so today's hair is brought to you by Elva Hair. This is their 13x6 lace front unit. There are elastic bands in the back as well as a comb in the back. There are also 2 combs on the side and it has 6 inches of parting space. This is their water wave unit in 14 inches and this unit comes pre-plucked, so you don't have to pluck it if you do not want to. Although this unit states it has bleached knots, there were a few knots left on this unit, so I decided to bleach that. And I apply some of this Got2b glue free spray on the cap before I apply the bleach. If you want to see a detailed tutorial on how I bleach my knots, I'll be sure to link that up top at the eye in the upper right hand corner of your screen. You don't have to click that now, that I will be there throughout the entire video, so you can click it later on. And in that tutorial I show you how I go about bleaching my knots as well as how I pluck the knots on the frontal. So then I proceed with washing the bleach out of the unit, and then I follow up with some Garnier Fructis Curl Nourish conditioner, and I just use a wide tooth comb to comb that conditioner through the unit. When you're dealing with curly hair, it's really important that you condition the hair before applying it. This really makes the curls come alive and start to pop. Next, I'm going to apply some mousse and begin laying the baby hair. Since this is curly hair, I do prefer to lay the baby hair while it is wet, so that once it's dry, the baby hair will lay nice and soft and it won't be like stiff. And I'm just using this baby hair brush that I picked up at my local beauty supply store. You will find that if you lay the baby hair while it is wet with the mousse, it becomes real easy to mold as opposed to doing it once the hair is dry. And I'm going to just use that mousse and apply it around the part area. And what this does is allow me to easily mold the hair to how I would like it to look once the unit is completely dry. And since I don't like the hair to fall directly in my face, I do kind of like put a clip to hold it in place. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of that mousse and spread it throughout the hair. And as you can see, once I apply the mousse, the curls really begin to start to pop. And I'm going to follow that up with some of my favorite leave-in conditioner, and that's the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. This really helps mold the hair and keep the actual curls, and it also prevents your hair from getting really big. And you want to be sure to scrunch the hair while it's wet, as this will help make the curls really pop once it's dry. So dolls, this is the unit. It's fully dried right now. I'm going to go ahead and apply some of my powder to the inside of the lace, since I did not tint it. This just helps the lace blend better with my skin. And I'm just applying that right there where the edges are.
I'm gonna let y'all see what that looks like on the inside of the cap. It's just around the edge. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. You want to cut it as close to the hairline as possible without cutting the hair. As you can see, when I cut the hairline, it is jagged. I don't cut it straight across. That helps it blend a lot better. And this is laying pretty good on my head. This is what this looks like. And I haven't even done anything yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna use some Got To Be Glue free spray, and I'm going to apply this to the perimeter. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some powder to the part. Just so it's uniform. Yes. And this is the water wave hair. I went with this as opposed to the curly because, I don't know, I'm just not used to really wearing curly hair. So I'm trying to ease my way into it. However, if you do want really curly hair, then they do have the curly hair option as well. But this is the water wave. And as you can see, these curls are popping. Now, I do feel like this is an uncomfortable length for me. I wish it was a little shorter, so I'm going to take my scissors and just snip some of this off. And if you want to fluff it out, you just scrunch the hair. That's how you make the curls a little bit more full. I'm gonna cut this side as well. I got 14 inches, but I definitely could have went for a 12, maybe even a 10 to be honest. But this is 14. Now the back, guys, I'm going to wait until I take this wig off to cut the back, but I'm just gonna cut it around so that it's just like a short curly bob. I'm just gonna scrunch this up a little bit more. So dolls, I went and I cut the back, and I had to change my lipstick because I feel like this hairstyle was giving me a little kid vibe, so I had to boss up a little bit. What y'all think? And you don't really need to know how to cut hair to cut curly hair because it's really forgiving because it's curly. You have to really jack it up to really mess it up. So if you want it to be like a straight across bob, just cut it straight across. You might notice I did cut a little bit at a slant just because I wanted it to be more of an asymmetrical bob. And this is a 14 inch, but I definitely could have went with a 12 inch because I know I cut more than 2 inches off. So you can definitely go with 12 inches. And if you want it a little bit shorter, you could go with 10 inches. And guys, this hair is super affordable. It's only around $100. Wait, if you get the 14 inch I think is like $114. If you get the 12 inch it's around $100, and if you get the 10 inch, then that's under $100. So you got options. So don't tell me your girl don't ever come to y'all with no affordable units, okay? Don't ever tell me that, okay? So like last week I had a $1,700 unit. Today I have a $100 unit. It's called balance. You're welcome. Anyway, Anyway, dolls, this is the final look. I did add a little bit of this Motions radiating gloss to it just to give it a little bit more shine and to help these curls pop just a little more. So, dolls, let me know. Y'all feeling this look? What? Is it something y'all will buy or no? Let me know. Go ahead, leave a comment in the section down below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Make sure you hit your notification bell so you know when I upload my videos. And that's pretty much it, guys. So, dolls, as always important, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now. Bye.